As you know, emails make up a huge part of any user's day. The Syntapa Add To capability is something that we've created that will allow you to be able to easily profile and manage all the information that's taking place as it relates to emails, both internally with other coworkers, as well as emails that your users are providing to external parties as well, whether it be clients, suppliers, partners, what have you. The Syntapa Add To capability is something that plugs directly into an existing SharePoint environment and allows you to be able to inherently utilize some of the capabilities that already exist within some of the Microsoft Office toolset. In this session, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the capability of the Add To component within Microsoft Outlook. First off, you'll notice that this is the exact same Outlook that your users are already used to using, with the exception of one component, which is the addition of the IMS tab and the capability to add the emails directly to the IMS, in this case the Information Management System, or your SharePoint environment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually walk through a typical scenario in the sense that a user turns around and creates an email. It works the exact same whether they're replying, what have you. But in this case, I'm going to go, Randy, I'm going to send myself an email and just put test 1, 2, 3 and test email. As soon as I hit the send button, what it's going to do is it's asking me to profile that particular email. It's automatically pulling forward the information that we have within our own SharePoint environment, including the different team sites and the libraries within each one of those sites. It's also gathering some of the information about the particular message and bringing that forward so that it can be easily profiled by the user. For example, the subject line now turns into the name for that particular item that is going to be profiled and stored within your SharePoint environment. It's actually pulling forward all the metadata. This is a metadata that we use within our instance. So in this case, I'm going to profile it as a communication. It's already pulled forward the date and me as the owner because I'm the one that created the email. We've also taken the time to allow you to have the integrations with your contact management system as well. In this particular case, it's integrated with our contact management system, and I'd like to assign this to a particular client in particular. So I'm going to assign it to Acme Incorporated. If you're project driven, then you can actually assign it to a particular project for a particular client as well, and that allows you the capability in order to be able to search and be able to easily find the information within your SharePoint system, either by client or by project. I'm going to go ahead and hit save at this point, and it will go ahead and save that particular email. For existing emails, I have two different ways that I can go about profiling that email and getting it into the SharePoint environment. First off, I can go to the IMS tab and I can click the Add to IMS, Add to Information Management System, which is our SharePoint environment. Or what I can do is I can actually highlight the particular message and right mouse click and choose Add to IMS, and you'll notice that the dialog box is the exact same and allows you to be able to quickly profile that email and make sure that it gets into the right space within your SharePoint environment. Now, the outcome of that is the ability in order to be able to have full access to all of these different things. So if I refresh this now, what you'll notice here is under this particular contact summary, which is for Acme Incorporated, I can click here and I can actually see there's the email that I just assigned to our SharePoint environment.